This tutorial was created for River Partners, and it's demonstrating how to fill out the Phenology survey on the NERDS mobile app. To begin, we want to fetch the data from the web. I'm going to fetch all to make sure that I have the most up-to-date data and surveys on my mobile device. You want to do this before you go out into the field, especially if you know you're going to be in an area with limited or no Wi-Fi, so that you're good to go in top shape once you're in the field. Alright, now that we've fetched everything, we're ready to begin surveying. There are two main routes you can take to do a phenology survey. The first is straight from the map. So if you're zoomed into the area you're working on, you can go ahead and click the plot you're working in, and then from there, you can click on the polygon. That'll pull up this details pop-up for that specific polygon. From there, you can click the survey icon, and then phenology data to begin a phenology survey. This survey is nice and short. Question 1, block group, is pre-filled in from the polygon you had selected and started the survey from on the map. If you need to change it, you can click the pencil icon to choose from the list of groups, and then you can select a new one as needed, or you can click the globe icon, and then you can make your selection straight from the map. Either way works. After the first question, number 1, block group, you're going to see question 2 is phenology. This is a multi-select question, so you can select however many phases that group is in. You're going to see that the follow-up questions below assessment date change based on your selection. So once you get it filled in, fill out the follow-up questions. You can also add notes as needed and photos as well, either by taking one on the spot or picking from your photo library. Once you have everything filled in, go ahead and hit save so that it shoots your survey to the server. The other way you can complete a phenology survey is by clicking the plus sign in the bottom right corner and then scrolling to phenology data. From there, you're going to see a blank survey pop up where, same thing, you can fill in all the questions, select your block group, choose which phase it's in, add any notes and photos as needed, and make sure you hit save. And in short, that is how to fill out a phenology survey on the NERDS mobile app for River Partners. Let us know if you have any questions.